Sleepwalker. 3 a.m. As Funtime sleeps, he becomes a sleepwalker. Priorities are like sleeping. Well, out the door. Then Funtime exits his room and he grabs for the remote. He's still sleepwalking as he walks down the stairs. Now a sleepwatcher, as he turned the TV on, the TV says, "Listen and buy lies. Just forget your eyes. Don't believe anything you see except TV. All work and no fun. Just TV. Brainwash, truth, dreams, and lies all depicted on the TV. And oh, buy cancer, it helps. As we sleep with the false freedom in our hands. Oh, fun time. Get back to bed, back to room. As he walks back to the room, the TV says, but wait, must see to believe. Sneaking that into his ears as he's walking back up the stairs. Sleepwalking. Sold, he believes. Yes. No faith, of course. No dreams. Only I believe what I see on TV. The TV says one more thing. Bye-bye and goodbye. While in bed, half my brain says, thank God for rest. I need to sleep, half of me says. And the other half, I need to see TV. As I sweat fear and lust for the wants of true and false reality TV. As in the background, it explains, watch or die. Forget life, rest in peace. I'm always here for you. A beginning to an end. No life, just TV. Alone. Bye.